Check it out! The Virtual Boy has arrived. The hot new Nintendo accessory of 2026 is something that came out back in 1995. If you're unfamiliar with this kind of weird looking console, it came out possibly ahead of its time. In North America, there was only 14 games ever released for this one, and it is a virtual reality gaming console. Now, every game that you could play on this thing was in like red and black scale tone, and Nintendo has replicated that with the modern version of the Virtual Boy. So inside of the box, you'll find like a health and safety manual, but unless I missed it, I did not see a setup guide, so I was just winging it. Fortunately, setup is pretty simple. That was the stand that you saw there. This clip is for if you're going to be using this with a regular Nintendo Switch, not Nintendo Switch 2. In the Nintendo shop now, there is a section for the Virtual Boy. In order to actually download and play the games, you need to have a Nintendo Switch Online Plus expansion membership. There's a little clip that is at the top of the stand. You rest your Virtual Boy headset in there, and on the inside is where you place your Nintendo console. So you slide it right in, which actually feels kind of like putting a game cartridge into an old school console, which is very satisfying. If you look, there's details that seem like they're real buttons for focusing and adjusting settings on there, but they're all just pretend. But still kind of fun because it captures the vintage look of the original console that we can now play online. You use the Joy-Con 2s to control your games. You can adjust for just the right angle, and overall, the headset's relatively comfortable to sit behind when you're playing. Now, this is going to give you kind of an idea of what it looks like. Sorry, the camera just doesn't really work that well for capturing this, but hopefully that gives you the gist of what your games look like. Retro, futuristic, all at once. There was actually more launch titles than I was expecting, and what's cool about this is you can map your buttons to be custom for the game that you're in, and you can create suspend points just like you can with other virtual consoles through Nintendo Switch Online. And those fake buttons that I was pointing out that could help you adjust the focus in the game, there's actually a digital version of that to make up for a certain amount of vision correction, so you might be able to enjoy these games without wearing your glasses. So that is a very quick introduction to the Virtual Boy. I am very excited about this, even though it's kind of silly. I'm in Canada, and this headset sells for $109, so if you don't want to spend quite that much, there's a cardboard version, but I think if you're going to go for it, just go for it. Is this a must-have Nintendo Switch 2 accessory? Absolutely not. But if you are a retro gamer or appreciate your video game history, and like me, you missed out on owning this console back in the day, you can relive it in all of its glory with some modern enhancements on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions about this, want to know more about either the games or the software experience or the hardware itself, make sure to let me know in the comments.